Good morning, Michelle. So here's how I'm going to grade my assignment. I'll just go through the whole process with you. So I'm going to my Google Drive, and I grab the test that I'm working on, semester 1. Okay. So here's the test, or the form, and I'm going to go into responses, and then I can view responses. Perfect. So these are all the kiddos. This one was last year. And you're going to go to add-ons, and then if you haven't already added flubaroo to your grading, or to your Chrome add-ons, you'll need to do that. And then you'll have an option right here when you click on add-ons to have flubaroo, and then you hit regrade assignment, or it'll just say grade assignment if you haven't already graded it. And then if you haven't graded it, it'll just go through a questionnaire for you real quick. And so, like, it automatically tells you that the first few questions are for identifying the student, and then the other questions are for normal grading. Okay, so you'll look through, just make sure that it identifies the questions correctly. It does a pretty good job of that. And when you're comfortable with that, then you hit continue. Okay, then you're going to go through, and you are going to have to take the test before you do this and put the correct answers in, and it's going to use that as your grading form. So you'll click on your test right here when you get to this point. Hit continue. So I already took it. My answer is the answer key, and it's going to compare all the others to that one. It's doing the grading right now. There's 170 responses to this particular test, and it's doing it in about 2 minutes. Maybe a little less. It's pretty slick. I think you can get more add-ons like the flubaroo if you don't have it right here by clicking this spot. Okay. Here we go. It's pulling up all the tests. It's really slick how it gives you percentages, and it'll tell you each question what you got right, or what students and how many students got right or wrong. It's really good data. Okay, and it'll give you some tips and hints, but I'm going to skip that for now. I'm making a video for Michelle right as we speak. Okay, so now you can look at the students' submissions. All their answers are here. And then you can go to grades, and all their grades will be here, their percentage points. This is last year's test before we revised it, and some of the questions were very strange and specific, and so we had pretty low scores on it. But the updated one wasn't quite as bad. Anyway, so that's your total points right here, your percentage, and if you scroll over, of course, you can see the highlighted ones will be what the most problems students had, so you can review that information with them. So yeah, that's the whole thing. Hope that makes sense to you.